Hi everybody, I'm Empress. I'm a television host. I am not a comedian. I am not hilarious, and I'm going to share some Jamaican jokes with you over the next few months. This is my new vlogging activity, or can I say it's, what can I call it? Yeah, anyway, this one is called The Jamaican on a Ship. On a ship, an American, an Englishman, and a Jamaican were sailing. Suddenly, the devil appeared and said, "Drop something in the sea. If I find it, I will eat you. If I can't, then I will be your slave." The American dropped a diamond, and the devil quickly found it and ate him. The Englishman dropped a tiny platinum piece. The devil found it and ate him too. Now it's the Jamaican man's turn. He proceeded to open a bottle of water and poured it in the sea. His words to the devil: "Yeah man, go find that no idiot. You think the Jamaicans are idiot?" Okay, that's a joke. Bye. Till next time.